So, I'm Bodhi, and so I'm going to teach you how to get to flour. So see this middle, you push it up, then across, then down, then across. Now you have flour. Now to solve it, you do the same thing, and now you do it again. Solved. Now I'm going to teach you checkerboard. You do it up twice, across twice, and up twice. Now, same idea to solve it. Now I'm going to teach you how to do half checkerboard, half diamond.
Yeah, it's easier if you face me.
Wait, what?
Yeah, face me.
So, I go up twice, down twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this is half checkerboard, half diamond. To solve it, same thing you did to get to it. Now I'm going to teach you how to do half checkerboard, half flour, half third layer. So you do up twice, down twice. Half flour, half first layer. Same thing to get it solved. Now I'm going to teach you how to do diamond, except I'm not going to demonstrate it. So it's kind of impossible, except so you have to flip these corners. It's kind of weird. So you have to flip all the corners, but I'm not going to do that. So diamond, and I'm going to teach you now the combination of flour and checkerboard. So you get to flour, then you get to checkerboard. Checkerboard and flour, same idea to solve it.